How to recover deleted messages on your messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you a quick way to recover your deleted messages on your messenger. So first thing what you want to do is, for example, if you have accidentally deleted your messages or you want to see your deleted messages, so what you can do is simply head over to your Facebook profile and just click on your Facebook profile at right section, and from over here what I want you to do is scroll all the way down until you see this settings and privacy option. So simply click on it and just click on settings, and once you're inside here just click on this account center, and from over here scroll all the way down until you see this your information and permission. Simply click on it and just click on download your information, and from over here what you should do is click on this download or transfer information, and it will ask you to take or choose between the option like available information and a specific type of information. So simply, since we only want to download messages, simply click on second option, that is a specific type of downloads. So from over here you can just select messages. If you also want to take about voting or post, you may select it, but since we are only taking messages, simply select on that and just hit the next button and just click on download to device, and you can select the range of which from which you want to download your messages. So select your specified range, and from over here you need to add your email where your downloaded information will be retrieved. So once you add your email where you will be receiving this downloaded information, and make sure it's in the HTML format, and you can also check your quality according to your choice. You may want to keep it medium and just click on this create files, which will successfully create file and send your file information to your Gmail, from where you can retrieve all over your recover all of your deleted messages on Messenger. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.